So in this video, we're talking about something that is very rarely discussed, and that is difficult relationships affect careers. Not because women lack ability, but because emotional energy that is being consumed elsewhere and constantly worrying about your partner's drinking, your partner's gambling, the impact that that's having on the family, the impact that it's having on your children, the impact it has on you, not getting peaceful sleep at night, wondering when's the next drama going to be. And, in your career or profession, opportunities and professional opportunities quietly pass by because you just don't have the bandwidth to deal with the thought of promotion. Although you could, you've got the capability and the skills and the talent to have the promotion, your life and the unpredictability of it just doesn't allow you the bandwidth. And many women only realize this years later on when they look back and they see people who came behind them career-wise, passing them by, and they wonder, well, how come she's doing that job and I'm not doing it? But actually, it's because you don't realize that you just haven't got the space for it. And when you finally have space again to focus on your own life, you might ponder and journal on how you can see how personal relationships affect someone's professional trajectory. So just go away and ponder on that issue. How has this situation affected your professional trajectory? And, if you're a therapist or a coach, think about how these things impact on people who are your clients as well. So we'll leave that there, and I'll see you in the next video when we'll look at what children actually learn from living with dysfunction. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.